I'm Holly from hollygrace.ca and you're watching Hometalk.
Today I'm going to show you how I took these 3 Highland Bowl plastic toys and I'm turning them into a farmhouse candle holder. So to begin my project, I took the bowls and I placed them on a tripod formation, and then I took this glass plate that I just picked up at my local dollar store and placed it on top. I then rearranged the bowls so that they were the most sturdy and in the most uniform position. Once I had them where I wanted them, I'm going to take this contact cement. You can use E6000 as well for this project. I just find that the contact cement bonds better to the plastic toys. So first I'm just going to readjust and check my plate and make sure it's where I want it and the bowls are perfectly where I want them. And then I'm going to place the contact cement on the back of the bowls as well as on the plates. To get a good hold, it's ideal to put the glue on both surfaces and let it sit for just a minute and then push the 2 surfaces together. This gives the glue time to bond and set properly. I did let this sit overnight before touching it or doing anything with it because I wanted to make sure that the glue was really sturdy. I also placed a heavy object on it and then left it overnight. Once my glue had dried and set, I took this Krylon spray paint in a off-white shade and I spray painted the whole piece. Once that was dry, I took some Country Chic Pocket Watch Metallic Ink Accent Cream. This cream is like a gel consistency and it's super easy to work with. I just took a small paintbrush, put a little bit on the brush, and then I brushed it over top of my Highland bowls, getting it into all those tiny little grooves and crannies to give us a really gold-like finish. I took a makeup sponge and I blotted over top of where I put the metallic ink accent cream. This just helps to work the cream into all those little crannies and grooves, really getting it in there and then wiping away any excess that's on top, because I don't want the bowls to be gold. I just want to give that little shimmer accent of gold over top of the fur. I continue doing this over all the surfaces of the bowls, making sure that I got even underneath. Even though it's not really seen, I want to make sure that they all look uniform. Next, I took this gold wax from Country Chic Paint and I put it just on the edges of the plate, so the outer rim and the inside rim of my plate, just to add that extra gold touch to the plate as well. When complete, I placed a glass hurricane and a tall pillar candle inside and then just add a little bit of greenery for that final touch. I love how this candle holder turned out. It looks like something you'd find at Pottery Barn and you would never know that it was made from plastic toys. I really hope that you enjoyed this project. I hope that you will give it a try. Thank you so much for tuning in to Home Talk, and we'll see you on another video.